Hey everybody, today I'm gonna tell you how to add highlights to your Instagram without posting stories. So this video contains of two parts. The first one is gonna be the steps, and then I'm gonna show you a demo video. Here are the steps. First of all, you have to post a story, and then you have to delete the story. Wait for 24 hours, go to your profile, and then click on the three lines on the top of your screen. Then you have to go to your activities, click on recently deleted, then restore the story. Now go to your highlights and add that story to your highlight. It's that simple, guys. But if you don't get it, then here's a demo video for you. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first of all, we have to post a story. I'm gonna post this one, adding it to my story. Now I just have to wait for it to be posted. Now that it have been posted, I just have to delete it. Okay, so I've deleted my story. Now I have to wait for 24 hours. Guys, we can still go to my profile and then click on the three lines and then your activity and then recently deleted. Here's the post, the story that I deleted, and we can still restore it. But the thing is that it's gonna be posted to our stories and people can see it in our story for like 24 hours, and that's what we're trying to avoid, right? So we're gonna do this restoration thing after 24 hours so that we can just add it to our highlights and not to our stories. So after 24 hours, open your Instagram, go to your profile, click on the three lines over there on the top, and then go to your activity, click on recently deleted. This is the second last option. Now here's the story that you deleted. You just have to restore it. Restore. And then yeah, now go to your highlights. For example, I want to add it to this highlight. Oh, these are all my highlights, I'm sorry, but yeah, we're just gonna add it. I edit highlights, go to stories, and this is the last one, is the story which I restored. We have to click on it and do done. That's it, it have been posted to my highlights. You wanna see? This is it. I hope this video helped. Thank you, bye.